Agentic automation can deliver transformative value and ROI for businesses. But where do you get started? I'll share some strategies for adopting and scaling agentic automation, from selecting the best pilot and winning executive support to scaling use cases across the business. Agentic automation is incredibly powerful, but it's not without its risks. You shouldn't trust the generative AI model with your security credentials. Additionally, you don't want to give an agent unfettered access to write or modify data in a system of record. It's incredibly important we put strong guardrails and protections around these capabilities to mitigate, the downsides of any mistake and protect critical enterprise information. Additionally, AI agents, because they're doing increasingly high value and sophisticated knowledge work, I think it's really important that the ability to define these systems, update them and change them is as intuitive and simple as possible, so that those SMEs, the people with that business knowledge, can be in control and can have a tight feedback loop to improve the agent's performance. There are no hard and fast rules, but you can consider areas where you're already using automation and AI. Agentic can up-level and improve and extend those processes. Another idea is to be mindful of areas of the business where you can showcase the real potential of this technology, but yet it's contained enough such that you can quickly implement that and prove the value. It's often a good idea to look for processes that often involve multiple systems or unstructured data, and that make them out of reach of previous technologies. Identifying processes that require complex decision-making and are currently bottlenecked by human intervention. To win executive support, it's critical to emphasize ROI. By developing clear metrics that can measure and prove the return on investment from this transformation or this change is really, really important. Secondly, I think it's very important to align with medium and longer term business objectives. Ultimately, any initial use case will have to scale and be replicated across the organization to have meaningful, substantial impact. Thirdly, I think it's really important to market and make everyone aware of those initial wins. This is still a new technology, and many people in the organization will be unaware of its power and potential. By effectively marketing and driving awareness around these early wins, you can win support for future investment.